Hello mga guys, yesterday was the 39th General Assembly of the Department of Agriculture Multipurpose Cooperative held at the Dynasty Court, Cagayan de Oro City. At makikita nyo yung presidential table na doon nakalagay yung mga nameplates ng mga board of directors. So makikita nyo yung nameplate ng aming chairperson na si Miss Juliet Araos. Yun yung nameplate niya. At saka sa kabila naman makikita nyo ang nameplate ng lula nyo. Isa kasi akong board member din ng cooperative. Sa kabila yung nameplate ni Dr. Luz Guzman, isa rin board member. At sa kabila yung kay Dr. Vera Lu Tukip, isa ding board member. Sa kabila ay kay Skylab Sarmiento, isang board member din. Kay Cleofe Ampatin, isang board member din. At saka yung kay Miss Gay Nanette Aleria, isang board member din. At makikita nyo yung mga members, over 200 of them came over to participate in the 39th annual General Assembly. Parang reunion din yun kasi marami ng mga retirees na participate kasi pwede rin maging member yung mga retirees. At masaya kami kasi nakikita namin yung former office mates na. So ito yung lola nyo, pailing-iling lang. Pero actually, I was listening to the presentation of our external auditors. They were presenting the financial statements for the year 2020.